I'm going to give you the formula to making money on social media. Step number one, create content with brands' products and send them a collaboration invite. I had an athlete want to land a deal with Quest Nutrition, and she only had 2,000 followers at the time. I told her to go actually create content with Quest Nutrition, send them a collaboration invite on Instagram, and see what happens. Quest Nutrition accepted her collaboration invite, allowing her content to be featured on their page, which had a million plus followers, and it turned into a cash deal. Providing value for these brands before ever asking for anything puts you on this brand's radar. It shows that you are an actual, genuine fan of the brand, and that's what brands are looking for. If you send them a collaboration invite, they get a notification that you tagged them. They have to view your content in order for that notification to go away. So you are on the brand's radar in an organic way. After you create video content and send the brand the collaboration invite, repost that piece of content on your Instagram story. Why I want you to do this is because Instagram stories has shopping links where you can publish the direct link for your audience to go and shop the product that you are promoting. Tag the brand so that they get a notification about your story. The majority of brands actually repost the stories of their customers. And the brand is going to be so impressed that you are posting direct shopping links to their product. This is what brands are looking for, a return on their investment. By you providing a shopping link, it's allowing your audience to actually shop the product. Therefore, you are providing the brand value before you even ask for the deal. Over time, if you build the relationship and continue to provide value for the brand, I promise you, you can turn it into a cash deal. Step number two to actually monetizing your social media is turning your following into a community. If your fans feel like they're actually engaged in your life and get to know you outside of just the content that you're publishing, when you go to launch a merch line or you go to launch a product that you're actually looking for people to buy, your fans are actually going to click purchase because they love who you are and they got to know you and they feel invested into your community. Two great ways to turn your fans into a community is through Instagram broadcast channels and Instagram stories. A broadcast channel allows you to communicate with your audience and give them the inside scoop on what your life is like. It's a place where you could provide additional value outside of the content that you are publishing on your feed. A lot of my athletes use broadcast channels to show what their life is like traveling as a Division I athlete. A lot of them send motivational quotes to their fans. There's a lot of engagement features in broadcast channels like asking questions or polls. This allows your audience to engage with you on a deeper level, therefore converting them into a community. Instagram stories are great for building community because of the engagement tactics. Questions, polls, quizzes allow your fans to actually click, engage, and respond to your stories rather than just viewing them. Turning your fan base into a community is a great way to monetize your brand. Step number three to making money on social media is actually creating a website, a portfolio, or some sort of hub to gather everything that you're creating for your audience in one centralized location. Maybe you sell one-on-one lessons to younger athletes. Maybe you're selling merchandise. Maybe you're actually selling a product like a coffee line. You need one centralized location to send your audience. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on sales. If the link in your bio for your merch line is going to a third party, you athletes are missing out on making money by sending people to a website outside of your own. All the ways that you are making money should be integrated into one common spot so that when a fan clicks your website, they can purchase everything right then and there. Why direct your sales to somebody else's website? Your website also allows you to showcase all of the content that you are creating across platforms.